Chapter 20 Word Formation. Word formation is a way in which new words are made on the basis of other words. We can make nouns from nouns, verbs and adjectives by adding prefixes or suffixes. When such words are formed, the spelling of new word may change slightly. Read the following examples. Making nouns from verbs, adding the suffix al, verb, noun, try, trial, arrive, arrival, dismiss, dismissal, refuse, refusal, bury, burial, propose, proposal, adding the suffix ation, verb, noun, inform, information, prepare, preparation, reserve, reservation, translate, translation, cancel, cancellation, declare, declaration, examine, examination, explain, explanation. Adding the suffix ion, verb, noun, calculate, calculation, collect, collection, connect, connection, correct, correction, create, creation, decorate, decoration, dictate, dictation, attract, attraction, reflect, reflection, select, selection, act, action, separate, separation. Adding the suffix sion, verb, noun, omit, omission, admit, admission, decide, decision, discuss, discussion, explode, explosion, invade, invasion. Adding the suffix er, verb, noun, lead, leader, love, lover, manage, manager, brew, brewer, paint, painter, play, player, print, printer, shoot, shooter, sing, singer, speak, speaker, teach, teacher, work, worker, hunt, hunter, bake, baker. Adding the suffix or, verb, noun, edit, editor, instruct, instructor, jail, jailer, narrate, narrator, operate, operator, sail, sailor, protect, protector, visit, visitor. Adding the suffix ment, verb, noun, announce, announcement, appoint, appointment, argue, argument, arrange, arrangement, develop, development, govern, government, enjoy, enjoyment, improve, improvement, achieve, achievement, adjust, adjustment, advertise, advertisement, agree, agreement. Making verbs from nouns, adding the prefix be, noun, verb, jewel, bejewel, siege, besiege, fool, befool, friend, befriend. Adding the prefix n, noun, verb, danger, endanger, force, enforce, circle, encircle, courage, encourage, list, enlist, title, entitle, joy, enjoy, code, encode. Adding the suffix fy, noun, verb, beauty, beautify, class, classify, glory, glorify, horror, horrify, justice, justify, terror, terrify. Adding the suffix ise, noun, verb, harmony, harmonize, sympathy, sympathize, apology, apologize, colony, colonize, magnet, magnetize, memory, memorize. Making verbs from adjectives, adding the prefix en, adjective, verb, rich, enrich, sure, ensure, able, enable, large, enlarge. Adding the suffix en. Adjective, verb, flat, flatten, hard, harden, length, lengthen, sharp, sharpen, short, shorten, thick, thicken, white, whiten, wide, widen, broad, broaden, deep, deepen. Adding the suffix ise. Adjective, verb, fertile, fertilize, general, generalize, modern, modernize, popular, popularize, equal, equalize, familiar, familiarize. Making adjectives from nouns. Adding the suffix ly. Noun, adjective, heaven, heavenly, home, homely, month, monthly, mother, motherly, annual, annually, cost, costly, day, daily, friend, friendly. Adding the suffix able. Noun, adjective, favor, favorable, memory, memorable, reason, reasonable, tax, taxable, charity, charitable, comfort, comfortable, credit, creditable, fashion, fashionable. Adding the suffix y. Noun, adjective, ease, easy, fault, faulty, fog, foggy, fun, funny, gloom, gloomy, greed, greedy, air, airy, anger, angry, blood, bloody, bone, bony, chill, chilly, cloud, cloudy, craze, crazy, dirt, dirty. Adding the suffix al. Noun, adjective, nation, national, nature, natural, accident, accidental, agriculture, agricultural, center, central, colony, colonial, commerce, commercial, finance, financial, industry, industrial, music, musical. Adding the suffix ive. Noun, adjective, response, responsive, suggest, suggestive, mass, massive, attraction, attractive, defect, defective, effect, effective. Adding the suffix ous. Noun, adjective, danger, dangerous, fame, famous, fable, fabulous, glory, glorious, advantage, advantageous, ambition, ambitious, anxiety, anxious, courage, courageous. Adding the suffix ful. Noun, adjective, cheer, cheerful, doubt, doubtful, duty, dutiful, faith, faithful, fear, fearful, force, forceful, beauty, beautiful, care, careful. Let's recapitulate. Using a single word, we can form many other words that makes the language rich and versatile as well as pleasurable to read. Examples: advise, verb, advisable, adjective, advise, noun, inadvisable, adjective, non-advisable, just, adjective, justice, noun, justification, abstract noun. There are various ways to form new words, as by using prefixes like un, in, il, im, ir, dis. Examples: necessary, unnecessary, regular, irregular, justice, injustice, honor, dishonor, literate, illiterate. By using suffixes to be added at the end: meant, judgment, al, trial, ion, action, able, favorable. Changing the parts of speech: noun, verb, advise, advise, justice, justify, noun, adjective, month, monthly, day, daily, friend, friendly, verb, adjective, enable, able, whiten, white, noun, adjective, cheer, cheerful, care, careful, faith, faithful,